Good morning, children. Today we'll do the next chapter, The Selfish Giant, Part 1. It is chapter number 3 of It So Happened. Alright, class 8D. First of all, we will write the word meanings. Now, Cornish Ogre, a giant of Cornwall. Now, Ogre, a cruel giant, gruff, rough, delicate, tender. Bore in this chapter had. Now, trespassers, those who enter somebody's land without permission. Prosecuted, punished. Hail, hailstorm. Now, linnet, a brownish songbird. Casement, window that open on hinges like a door. Now, cloak, cloth, wrapped, covered. Road, make sound like tiger. Now, rattled, made huge sound. Castle, house, seized, stopped. Now we will go through the chapter. The Selfish Giant. Now the giant's garden was beautiful and children loved to play in it. The giant, who was selfish, built a huge high wall around his lovely garden. Now children did not enter the garden thereafter, nor did spring and summer till the nor did spring and the summer till the giant experienced a change of heart. Now these are the points which we are going to study in the first part. Now every afternoon as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. After the school, children went to the giant's garden to play. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. Now the garden was large and lovely with soft green grass. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees. Now everywhere there were beautiful grasses and stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms. Now in the peach tree there were 12 peach tree, and in the spring season it broke into delicate blossoms. Delicate blossoms means tender blossom or the bud of flowers and buds of pink and pearl. The color of the flowers were pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruits, and in the autumn season it had rich fruit. The bird sat on the tree and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. Now the birds sat on the trees, sang so sweetly. The birds were singing so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen them. How happy are we! How happy we are here! They cried to each other, and while listening the song, they started shouting that how happy we are here. They cried to each other. One day the giant came back. He had been to visit his friend the Cornish Ogre and had stayed with him for 7 years. Now what happened? The giant came back from his friend's house. He was a Cornish ogre and had stayed with him for 7 years. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden, and when he arrived his home, he saw the children playing in his garden. "What are you doing here?" he cried in a very gruff voice. Now he started telling them, "What are you doing here?" and he told in a very rough voice, and the children ran away. Now, my own garden is my own garden. Now he started telling, "This is my own garden and it is my own," said the giant. "Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself." And he is telling, "This is my garden and this is my garden, and so I will allow nobody to play in my garden." So he built a high wall all around it and put up a notice board. So he built up a high wall around it and he put up the notice board, "Trespassers will be prosecuted." The notice board was as trespassers would be prosecuted, means those who will come in his garden would be punished. He was a very selfish giant. Now he was very selfish. The poor children had now nowhere to play. Now the children were having no place to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones. Now the children, they tried to play on the road, but it was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. Now they used to wander around the high walls when their lessons were over. Now they used to wander. The wander means going here and there without any aim, round the high walls when their lessons were over, and talk about the beautiful garden inside. "How happy we were here," they said to each other. Now they were talking about the garden, that how happy we were here, we were there in the garden, they said to each other. Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Now then the spring came, and there were all over the country there were little blossom flowers and little birds. Only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. Now only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. Up till here only we will do in the next class.